Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to get the iPhone emojis on Android, so let's jump right into it. It is very easy, so follow up with me. First we'll go ahead and open Play Store. And then from here search for an app called ZFont 3. This one right here, go ahead and install it. I have already done that, so I'm just going to open it from here. After that, scroll down a little bit and tap on iOS 16. You should see a download button instead of apply. I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to apply it. Tap there. From here, choose a method. I'm going to choose the first one. Wait for a little bit. And then tap on change font. It might give you an ad right here. Just go ahead and tap on the X on the top right. And then tap on the font right here, the iOS 16. After that, tap on apply on the bottom. Wait for a second or two, and you can see that it says applied successfully. Let's go and check that out. And as you can see here, you have the iPhone emojis on Android, and that's how we do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.